If you're on air, then...
Not now I am. I was off then.
Okay. And then some of these are still... Look at like that one. They're still in good shape, although their tops are not so good. This really got hit badly. Because...
Unbelievable.
Also because, no matter what you say...
Remember, you're on air.
I understand. It's more dangerous
Well, look at this girl.
than being in a home attached to the...
Not the new ones. The new ones are fine, but the old ones, look at this.
Right, that's what I mean. I mean, it's just so sad. That wipes out their home. That is awful. It is. Makes me very sad.